The African Union Commission on Wednesday suspended Mali from the Pan-African bloc following the forced detention of senior officials, including the country's president and prime minister. The decision to suspend Mali from AU membership was made by the Peace and Security Council of the AU Commission during its latest meeting that dwelt upon the situation in the Western African country. The Peace and Security Council suspended Mali from the AU until the restoration of constitutional order and demands the release of President Ibrahim Boubacar Keïta, the Prime Minister and other government officials forcibly detained by the army, the Council announced in a Twitter post on late Wednesday. On Tuesday, Chairperson of the AU Commission Musa Faki Mohamed had strongly condemned the forced detention of the President of Mali, Ibrahim Boubacar Keïta, the Prime Minister and other members of the Malian government and called for their immediate release. The Chairperson strongly rejects any attempt at the unconstitutional change of government in Mali and calls on the maintainers to cease all recourse to violence and calls for the respect of the country's institutions. An AU statement issued on late Tuesday read, the AU chairperson further called on the Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS, the United Nations and the entire international community to combine our collective efforts to oppose any use of force as a means to end the political crisis in Mali. Malian President Ibrahim Boubacar Keïta, currently detained by soldiers in the military camp in Kati, a town close to Bamako, announced late Tuesday night his resignation and the dissolution of the National Assembly and the Prime Minister Bouba Cissé. Leaders of the military coup said Wednesday they would enact a political transition and stage elections within a reasonable time. In addition to the African Union Commission, the regional bloc ECOWAS, the European Union and the United Nations, along with France, also on Tuesday afternoon condemned the arrest of Keïta by the mutinous Malian soldiers and demanded restoration of the constitutional order, affirming that they would not accept an unconstitutional power switch.